Hi guys, it's Pomero Naturals and I'm back with another video. I am about to tell you what I have been doing this entire year for longer, healthier hair. My number one secret for longer, healthier hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. So, you guys already know I love African threading, right? And recently I have done some videos on more African threading, but also micro twists or mini twists. And I'm wearing a style actually mini twists. And this is the strategy that I have been using to grow my hair. I am going to tell you why this style, this particular style, not any twists, but mini twists, have worked for me when it comes to retaining length and just getting healthier hair in general. Ever since my big chop, I've been trying to find ways to minimize the amount of time that I'm in my head, detangling, dealing with my hair, combing it, handling it. And after using African threading, Bantu knots, name it, I have found that the mini twists work perfectly for my regimen. Let me tell you, if you've got 4C hair, you want to minimize breakage at all costs, and you want to, as much as possible, minimize the amount of time that you are in your hair, detangling it, conditioning it, you name it. This style allows me to wash my hair, deep condition, scalp massage, oil treatment, whatever, without having to comb it, without having to detangle or comb the hair. That's why it works perfectly for retaining length. The ends of the hair as well are actually grouped. So when I twist the hair, I twist it wet or damp at least. So when it dries, it actually dries in a curl. And I also twirl the ends of the hair so that they're not free to mingle and give each other love. Therefore, reducing my single strand knots, guys. It also reduces dryness. I don't get as much dryness, even at the ends of my hair, for a few days. If I have to re-moisturize my hair, I will do it a few times a week, but a lot of the times, especially when the style is still new, I don't have to do it. I will be keeping in this style for at least 1 month, but I might actually push it to 2 months or more. I'm not trying to lock my hair or anything, and I guess the thing with mini twists is that if you keep the twists in your hair for too long, the hair will start to, matting is going to start to happen, and it will be a nightmare to actually take it out a little bit later, and it might actually be counteractive because there'll be a lot of breakage when you try to, separate the hair or detangle it because of the matting that has happened. So you don't want to keep it for too long, 2 months, 3 months, you're pushing it. But, as long as you know that, the longer you leave it, the more delicate you should be handling your takedown, because the hair will be a little bit more, matted, and it will need more time for you to be able to detangle. The investment to do these twists is great in my view, because obviously it took me a few hours. I think I did it over 2 days. You might be able to have time where you can be at home, twist your hair, and be able to go to bed and continue the following day. I had to go to work, so yeah, my hair looked funny while it was half done, but I don't care. But anyway, I did my hair, I think started at like 7 p.m. in the evening, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it took me about 6 hours. So 3 hours the first evening and another 3 the following evening. And you can see, guys, that these are pretty tiny. They're not big, and they're so juicy. They're so bouncy. My hair is gonna grow in there. I can scalp massage my hair without having to needing to unravel my hair or anything like that, and I can deep condition it. I don't have to do it. I love the style, I like the look of it. If you don't like the look of mini twists, then maybe it's not for you. But if you're a type 4 chick and you're looking for something to give you a bit of a break, because yeah, guys, people are in their hair like every day. Yeah, every day is not my thing. I'm definitely a lazy natural, and I definitely prefer a regimen that minimizes the amount of time that I'm, you know, dealing with my hair. So this style has really worked for me because of that. And yeah, in future videos, I will share with you how I maintain the twists and how to prolong them, or how to, you know, reduce frizz, because I know a few people are worried about frizz, you know, for when you keep the hair for long periods of time. I don't care about frizz. It's part of, you know, being a 4C hair chick. Frizz is just part of life, so I embrace it. Although when it's too much, then obviously the style does not look too good, and it has to come down. But guys, I am going to be keeping my hair in twists. When I take them out, I will wash my hair, obviously detangle, deep condition, and all the good stuff. Maybe a couple of hair treatments. Maybe a couple of hair treatments, because I wouldn't have dealt with my hair loose for a while. But then after that, maybe a few weeks or so, it will be back in twists. And I have been doing this for most of the year. Every now and then I have done African threading, but the main style for the year has been this one. And boy, has my hair grown and retained length as well. At the end of September, I will be doing a length check, a formal length check, where I'll show you what my hair looks like 3 years. It's been 3 years since my big chop, and I'm super excited about that video, but that's for another day. How are you guys growing your hair? How are you know, retaining length with your natural hair? What strategies do you have for 2020, or, you know, your entire hair journey? What have you been doing, particularly, you know, something specific, you know, to help you retain more length with your natural hair? Comment below. I appreciate you coming here and watching my videos and subscribing and commenting below. Thank you so much for supporting me. I will see you in the next video. Take care.